A while ago, I did a video giving you guys 5 YouTube channels that I personally recommend, and 2 of those channels are no longer creating videos for you guys, but I still support the other 3 in that video. They are still going strong and creating valuable content for all of you to watch. But since some of those channels stopped creating, I figured I would give you a new video with 5 more channels I myself enjoy and highly recommend to you. Also, I myself create video content around homeschooling, so if you are new here, be sure to subscribe for more homeschooling content. All right, please keep in mind that these channels are in no particular order. I don't want to favor anybody. I love them all. The first channel I recommend is Homeschool of Belair. Alex is a secular homeschool mom to 3 kiddos who are between the ages of elementary and middle school ages, and she has excellent art resources to offer. I myself tend to pull from her art recommendations, and I feel like she doesn't really discuss it much, but she herself is a gifted artist. And on her channel, you will find a lot of in-depth resource videos, room tours, videos on systems that she has implemented, in-depth curriculum picks, and more. And the thing she does well is give thorough information, and I love that. I can always appreciate someone who is extremely thorough. Next to JDA, she is probably like the most low profile or private homeschooling YouTuber I know of. So I find myself curious about her because she seems so mysterious to me, to be honest. And I am always surprised when I find out something new about her. The second channel I'd like to mention is Megan from Better Done Than Perfect, and this is a channel I'm fairly new to. I think her channel is fairly new as well, but I am becoming a fan of her videos, and this is another secular homeschool mother of 2 littles who are quite young like mine, and I find some similarities in that way. I do generally secular curriculum for my young kids as well. One of the awesome things about Megan is that she was previously a history teacher, and I share similar views to her regarding history. However, she takes those similar thoughts and makes them sound smart because she knows what she's talking about. She did it obviously by trade. So she has a wonderful history curriculum video explaining how to evaluate resources and decide if they are worth your money and time. And I highly recommend checking out that video. But beyond that, you will also find videos about lesson planning, homeschool cleaning videos, read aloud videos, and videos regarding curriculum. The third channel I want to share is Wendy from Plan Prep Pray. This woman has a large family to homeschool, which I can't even begin to fathom because 2 kids feels like a lot to me, a lot of work. But the difference is that she has made some amazing lifestyle choices and created very effective systems to keep everyone and everything in order as much as she can. Parenthood is crazy, no matter like how organized you are, so I'm sure that she has her moments of overwhelm as well. But this channel is your go-to for all of the systems for organizing and to make life in homeschool easier. So on her channel, you will find everything from routine videos, day in the life vlogs, curriculum overviews, systems to simplify, tips and tricks on how to do it all in the balancing act of motherhood and homeschool. And she has been homeschooling, I believe, for somewhere between 7 to 10 years, I believe. So she is a veteran homeschooler as well. She also has an interesting series where she does quick interviews with other YouTube creator moms and gives you these like lightning fast tip videos from other perspectives. The fourth channel I want to recommend to you is Christy from These Little Sprouts. The thing I love most about Christy is that her gentle nature shows up in her homeschooling methods. She has a beautiful approach to homeschool involving interest-led learning, and she never seems to push her kids to learn just to complete a checklist. She is more interested in the natural skill level peaking by each child's interests and creating a learning environment around that. She uses a lot of nature and natural methods to learn, and I mean that in a very literal way. She teaches a lot through nature by using natural elements out from the outside world. I find her teaching method to be very beautiful and well chosen with a lot of thought. She is also a mom to small children, so I can't wait to see how her homeschooling methods develop over time. And this is a woman with a lot of potential, and I think that these kiddos are very lucky to have her as their homeschool educator. And the fifth channel I want to share with you is Leilani from Living with Eve. This mom has a unique take on homeschool as she is a devout Jew, a mother of 4, and one of which has Down's syndrome. So for mothers of larger families, especially caring for special needs, this may be a great channel for you to check out. I love the way Leilani describes her channel, so I'm just going to tell you what her About Me section says on her channel, and that is, her channel offers guidance, resources, and support so that parents can be empowered to meet their exceptional child's educational needs and developmental needs. And I feel like that is exactly the description of what you get from her. On her channel, you will find vlogs keeping you updated on homeschool and life, faith-related videos, curriculum-related videos, Down's syndrome-related content, and more. And Leilani is a well-educated woman who has a lot to offer for you. Are you curious about the other channels I have recommended in the past? If so, click this top video next to me and click the bottom video to see another video of mine. I'll see you over there in one of those 2 videos. Have fun homeschooling.